On the fourth Sunday of Lent, the Church calls us to focus on inattentional blindness and the resultant exclusion. Inattentional blindness is caused either because we do not notice a person or a situation, as we don't attach any worth or validity to it, or because of the failure to accept unexpected results. The blind beggar of the day's gospel remained unnoticed by the passers-by, as he demonstrated no hope of restoration, neither self-worth nor validity, and his cure was a result totally unexpected. David was unnoticed by his family to be a probable king. Such inattentional blindness resulted in exclusion. The status of the blind man as a beggar states his exclusion from the heart of a Jewish society. Jesus' followers are excluded from the synagogue on the basis of their confession of Jesus to be the Messiah. The healed blind beggar is excluded from his community for expressing his belief in Jesus as the Son of Man. The parents of the blind man refrained from answering the queries of the Pharisees due to fear of being excluded or excommunicated from their community. This sense of exclusion also hovers over the episode where Jesse and his sons appear to be blind against the notion that God could ever choose David to be his king, because that was a choice totally unexpected. The irony lies in this fact that while the blind beggar is cured of his physical blindness, regains spiritual as well as physical sight, and while the family of Jesse is able to see David as the king, the Pharisees, falling a prey to inattentional blindness and the resultant exclusion, remain blind to the light of Christ. If so, am I a prey to inattentional blindness? Have I excluded persons considering them worthless and invalid? Am I stiff-necked in accepting the unexpected? Let's seek for an answer during this week.